Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. When I started making my own ice cream, we stopped buying the ones from the store. There's no comparison between the two. Homemade is far superior to any of them. On the website, I have a vast choice of cold treats, and here's another one. Beet Ice Cream. Well, beet, really? Absolutely! Besides its outstanding fuchsia color, the flavor is sweet with a slight earthy tone to it. It's a wonderful dessert to welcome in the fall season. So let's get cooking. We'll start by extracting the juice from the vegetable, and as you can see, I'm using a juicer. If you don't own one, don't worry. Read the blog to find out your other options. Now, in a saucepan over medium heat, we'll add heavy cream, a quarter cup of milk, either 1 or 2%, followed by granulated sugar, and then ground sea salt. We'll stir the ingredients until the sugar is dissolved and the milk warms up, which won't take too long. Next, we'll create some sort of a donut with a dish towel and place a bowl with our egg yolks in it. It helps to keep the bowl in place while we temper the eggs. So we'll go ahead and whisk our yolks very well and set aside. Back to the saucepan. I can feel that the sugar is dissolved. However, we have to warm up the mixture, and when it gets there, we'll see some steam coming up from the saucepan. We don't want to bring it to a simmer. Just warm it up. That's all. To be more precise, we can use a thermometer, and when it reaches 120 degrees Fahrenheit, we're ready to temper the eggs. We'll ladle up some milk mixture and slowly pour in a tiny amount to the yolks, whisking constantly. If you rush this step, you'll end up with scrambled eggs, so take your time. A few ladles later, the egg yolks should be tempered, so we'll go ahead and add them to the saucepan, whisking constantly. Now, our custard is done. Well, almost, because we'll now pour in the beet juice, which should be about 1.5 cups, give or take. Wow, what a nice color! There's also another ingredient we'll be adding, and it's orange juice, which will brighten up the mixture. Still on medium heat, we'll leave the custard on the burner for 5 minutes before transferring to a large measuring cup. It's a little warm, so we'll let it cool to room temperature. About 15 minutes later, we'll place some cling film on top, making sure it touches the surface to prevent a skin from forming, and transfer to the fridge for 24 hours. The next day, we'll pour the chilled custard into the bowl of an ice cream maker and process according to the manufacturer's instructions. Mine took around 15 minutes. We'll spoon the mixture into a 2-quart container, place the lid on, and transfer to the freezer until frozen, about 6 hours. And my friends, this is our Beet Ice Cream. Incredibly gorgeous to look at, this is a perfect cold treat for fall and winter. With a subtle tang to it, this is a lovely dessert to enjoy as is, or top it with hot fudge. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!